Excel files are extremely useful for companies, and Excel is already around for several decades. And what you see that initially an Excel sheet is designed for one specific task and one task only. And then over the course of the years, several modules are added to that Excel sheet. So more and more is asked from an Excel sheet. It's not strange to see 30 or 40 tabs within an Excel sheet. Now, the result is then that you get sluggish Excel sheets that already open slowly just because there are so many calculations going on within that Excel sheet. Now, with these large Excel sheets, the problem is they generally lack overview, and they're prone to errors. And one thing that Excel is not good at, that is crunching numbers. And in these days where basically the world evolves around data, big data, you need other methods of handling data. We assist companies with unraveling their large Excel sheets by converting them into a code base. So we write computer code, for example, MATLAB, Python, and we convert all the calculations that are previously done in the Excel sheet to code. Now, by doing this, we often find bugs in the Excel sheets. So that's already one advantage. A second advantage is that code is in general much faster than Excel is. And you can even put it stronger, certain calculations, certain algorithms cannot be performed in Excel just because it's too slow. And one other thing is that by converting these Excel sheets to code, you get less operational risk. We also specialize in time series forecasting. You find time series everywhere. So you have macroeconomic time series, you have financial time series. Even the number of goals a football team scores over time is a time series. Now, and what is important with a time series is that the data is ordered in time. If there is order in the data, we can often distinguish patterns in the data. And with those patterns, we can make forecasts of the data. Now, and one thing that is very beneficial for a company is to have accurate forecasts. We developed time series software. You can download a pilot version of the software from timeseriesLab.com, and together with companies, we adjust that software to the client's needs. If you're interested, please reach out to us and we can perform a pilot based on your data.